Hello everyone, welcome to part 23 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we are working on the Laravel Crud operations for CMS pages, and in this video we are going to delete the CMS page. Okay, so we will simply delete the CMS page with Laravel. We are not using jQuery Ajax in this video, but later on we are going to use the jQuery Ajax as well, and we will also use the sweet alert as well. Okay, so right now we will simply delete it. So let's start working on this one. So I will open its code as well, that you can find under the video description all these steps that we have given. So first of all, we are going to add this link, delete CMS page link, that we are required to add in CMS page blade file. And here we can find that we have already added this one, but we are going to modify this one. This one I have already copied from somewhere from the Laravel 10 series, maybe with the confirm delete function that we are going to create later on with the record ID with the common confirm delete function that will help us to delete the CMS page instantly via jQuery and Ajax, and that common function can be used for all the modules. But right now I'm going to remove this one, and will delete CMS page in a simple way. Okay, just the simple href. Okay, I'm going to add the simple URL to delete the CMS page. Okay, like this, and once we will call this one, we able to delete the CMS page. So I'm going to add its route in web.php file for deleting the CMS page. So this is the route that I'm going to add to delete the CMS page here. Okay, so I'm going to modify the destroy function that we have automatically created in the resource controller, that is the CMS controller. Okay, so I will add this function to delete the CMS page. I'm going to open that CMS controller and will modify the destroy function. Yes, I'm going to replace it though, this destroy function, with this one. Here I'm passing the ID as well, and with this ID I'm going to delete the CMS page, that CMS page from the CMS collection, CMS pages collection, and make sure that we are going to delete this with underscore ID. Here instead of ID we will use the underscore ID, and here the message will come like CMS page has been deleted successfully. Okay, so finally we are going to run and we'll see that the CMS page deleted successfully or not. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to delete this CMS page, and we'll see, yes, the CMS page has been deleted successfully. So we finally able to delete this CMS page in a simple way. But in the next video we are going to use this sweet alert. Okay, we are going to use this sweet alert to delete the CMS page. Also we will work with Ajax and jQuery, that will make our task even faster. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.